Healthy Cooking Tips for Beginners Vertical Bar Simple Tips for Beginners. Welcome to today's video, where we are diving into a topic that's all about nurturing your culinary skills, healthy cooking tips for beginners. Whether you're taking your first steps in the kitchen or simply looking to embrace a more wholesome approach to cooking, this vlog is for you. Let's explore some simple yet effective tips that can transform your cooking game. Let's get started. 1. Ingredient Essentials. We kick off with a fundamental lesson: ingredients matter. Discover the magic of fresh, whole ingredients that can elevate your dishes from ordinary to extraordinary. 2. Cooking Techniques. No need to be intimidated by cooking techniques. We will cover the basics, from sorting to baking, to help you create delicious and nutritious meals. 3. Balanced Flavors. The secret to a memorable dish lies in balancing flavors. Uncover the art of seasoning and spices to enhance your dishes without overwhelming them. 4. Meal Planning. Here is a game-changer: meal planning. We will discuss how planning ahead can save you time, reduce food waste, and ensure you're always equipped with healthy options. 5. Smart Substitutions. Say goodbye to unhealthy ingredients without sacrificing taste. Learn about smart substitutions that can make your meals both healthier and delectable. 6. Portion Control. A crucial tip for beginners: portion control. Discover how understanding portion sizes can help you maintain a balanced diet. 7. Embrace experimentation. Embrace your creative side. We encourage you to experiment with flavors, ingredients, and recipes. Cooking is an exciting journey of self-discovery. Conclusion. And there you have it, healthy cooking tips for beginners. These simple strategies can help you embark on a culinary adventure that's both satisfying and nourishing. Remember, the key is to start small, stay curious, and enjoy the process. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to share them with fellow cooking enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more insightful content that empowers you on your journey towards healthier living.